So of course there's an outer, inner, and secret meaning to all these different exercises, an outer aspect, an inner aspect, and a secret aspect. So the Buddha's diamond palm training and all these Qigong exercises, first and foremost, has the ability to heal 1,000 different diseases. So diseases caused when yin and yang is imbalanced due to blockages in the energy flow of the body. When you breathe, that's a major part of your circulatory system, your breath and your heartbeat. And so as you do that, you keep the flow of energy and blood going, and that's what keeps you in balance, yin and yang harmonized, and in good shape. What happens though is if you're not breathing properly, your heart is not strong, you don't have good circulation, you lack exercise, then it's easy to get blockages in different parts of your body. When you have a blockage, that leads to stagnation. Stagnation leads to disease, and disease then creates pain and suffering of all sorts. So by practicing these exercises on a regular basis, you will alleviate yourself of many diseases, as well as any future disease you might have occurred otherwise. So first and foremost, when you're practicing the Buddhist diamond palm training in particular, obviously it's heavy in the cardiovascular. So you should see instant results in your heart disease, as well as lung disease, allergies, and digestive problems, things like that. So a lot of people even use the Buddhist diamond palm training as a method of going to the regularity in the morning. So that's some aspect. Then, generally speaking, for the 5 visceral organs, there's meditations and exercises that you practice as well. So for instance, if you have, let's say, stagnation in your 6 bowels, then you do Qigong exercises or breathing exercises like this. And of course, there's a lot of general forms of Qigong to heal diseases as well, but these are some specific exercises. So that's specific to the GI tract. For the liver, you might hold this mudra here and practice breathing into the liver and gallbladder area, like that. Just breathing in and out opens up all the stagnation in your liver and gallbladder, bringing you to a healthier state. You could do the same thing on the other side for your spleen and pancreas. For the stomach, we usually use this one here. For the kidneys, we usually use this one. And then you just breathe into the kidneys. For the lungs, we use this one. And you breathe into the lungs. Expand in your chest. For your heart, use this one. Just place that right in front of your heart and breathe more specifically with your intention into your heart. Then you accentuate that with different exercises for the heart, lungs, etc. But regardless of how you move, you always use your breath, because the breath work is what moves the internal aspects of that external exercise. So the outer part is the actual movement or the hand position, the inner aspect is the breath, and then the secret aspect is your mind, which is beyond all 3. So that's some of the aspects there. Generally speaking, after you practice Buddhist diamond palm training on a regular basis, then we practice specific sets. So we practice heaven and earth. So you stand like this for a while and do these type of movements here, left and right. And then do all these hand movements, which empower your hands and these techniques that you actually use in treatment application in Qigong therapy when you're treating patients. So just by doing exercise like that, you circulate the Qi throughout your entire body, opening up all your joints, nourishing the muscle, tendon, and tissues and nerves. Bringing about a healthier physical, mental, and spiritual state.